Good morning. This is my house. I live here with my family. It is morning. My parents are always busy.
Wake up, Leo. Here is your breakfast. Eat your food.
Thank you, Mom. The food is very good. You cook every day. My mom wakes up very early. She cleans the house. She is tired.
I must go to work now. Be a good boy today, Leo.
Goodbye, Dad. Have a good day. Drive safely.
My dad works very hard. He wants to buy me books and toys.
They do everything for me. But I never say thank you to them. I want to say I love you, but the words stay in my mouth.
Now it is evening. My parents come home. It is a long day. My feet hurt. But we are finally home. I am happy.
Yes, it is hard work. But our family is safe. That is important.
They are very tired. They need sleep. They need rest. Sometimes I am angry. I cry and shout. I am a bad boy. I make a mess in my room. My mom cleans it. She never hits me.
Leo? Are you there? Come here, my sweet boy.
My parents have big hearts. They always forgive me. They love me.
Come sit with us, Leo. We miss you today.
I am sorry, Mom. I am sorry, Dad. I want to be a good son. Today is Sunday. There is no school. The sun is very bright. My dad is very strong. He can fix anything. He is a superhero.
This bicycle is old. But I can make it new for you, Leo.
Dad, can I help you? I want to learn. I want to be strong like you.
Of course you can, son. Let's do this together.
Look at these flowers, Leo. They need water to grow beautiful.
Mom, you are like a flower. You make our home beautiful. You are kind. We work together. We are a good team. The garden is very clean. I see your love in small things. A warm meal. A clean shirt. I do not wait anymore. Today, I tell you my secret. I love you both so much. Mom, Dad, I love you very much. Thank you for everything. It is afternoon. We go to the supermarket. We buy food.
We need apples. Apples are very good for you, Leo.
This milk is good. You need milk to grow strong.
Look at this toy. It is a big robot. I want it. I want to ask my dad to buy this robot for me. But I look at my dad. His shoes are very old.
I do not need new shoes. These shoes are okay.
My mom looks at a beautiful cup, but she does not buy it. They do not buy things for themselves. They buy things for me. I do not need this toy. I have many toys in my room. Mom, Dad, I can help you. I do not want the toy.
You are a very good boy, Leo. I am very proud of you.
We love you very much, Leo. Our family is the best.
Money is important, but love is more important. Family is everything. We pay for the food. We go home together. I am happy. It is night. It is raining. I am in my bed. I am sick. My head is very hot. I feel bad.
Oh no, Leo. You are very hot. Do not cry.
Drink this medicine, Leo. It helps you feel better.
The medicine is bad.
But my dad holds my hand.
I feel safe.
I will read a story for you. Close your eyes, my boy.
Are you cold? Here is a warm blanket. Sleep now. It is very late.
But my parents do not sleep.
They are very tired. They sit on the chair all night. I am sorry, Mom and Dad. I make you tired.
Your head is cool now. You are better. Thank you, God.
My dad is sleeping on the chair. He is very tired. When I am sick, they protect me. They are my angels. It is morning. The rain stops. I am healthy again. I feel good today. I love my parents. I will take care of them. It is evening. We sit at the table. We eat dinner. The food smells very good. I am very hungry.
Here is a big piece for you, Leo. Eat a lot.
Mom, you only eat the bones. Do you want this meat?
No, thank you. I do not like the meat. I am full.
I look at her. I know she tells a lie. It is a beautiful lie. It is the lie of a mother. Mom, open your mouth. This is for you.
Oh, Leo. Thank you, my sweet boy. It is very good.
You are a good boy, Leo. You know how to share.
Dad, this piece is for you. We eat together.
I am very happy today. We have a great family.
Yes. Yes. We have each other. That is all we need.
My parents give me the best things. I will never forget. It is autumn. The leaves are yellow. We walk in the park. I run very fast. I am strong. I jump high.
Be careful, Leo. Do not fall. Walk with us.
Wait for us, Leo. My legs are tired today.
I stop and look at them. They walk very slowly. I see white hair on my dad's head. He is not young. I see lines on my mom's face. She is tired. Time goes fast. I grow big, but they grow old. I do not want them to grow old. I want them to stay with me.
Come here, Leo. Let us sit on the bench. We can rest.
You are a good boy, Leo. We love watching you grow.
I hold their hands. Their hands are big, but their hands are cold. I will be strong. I will take care of them when they are old. I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. Always and forever.